When people think about customization, they usually think about t-shirts, but some of the most premium-looking products aren't made from fabric at all. They're made from leather and faux leather, from wallets and journals to keychains, laptop sleeves, and premium packaging. These products instantly create a more elevated brand experience.
The question is, can you actually customize them with UV DTF? Absolutely. When applied correctly, UV DTF transfers adhere beautifully to many smooth leather and faux leather surfaces, making it incredibly easy to create personalized products without complicated equipment.
The first step is always preparing the surface. You need to make sure it's clean, dry, and completely free from dust or oils, because a clean surface helps the adhesive bond properly and creates a much cleaner finish. Next, take your time positioning the design. Unlike apparel, leather products are often smaller, which means precise placement becomes even more important.
Once you're happy with the position, apply firm, even pressure across the transfer, making sure every single part of the design makes full contact with the surface. Then, slowly remove the carrier film, checking carefully that the transfer has adhered completely.
That's a great point, and it highlights one of the biggest advantages of UV DTF. It allows small businesses to offer premium-looking products without investing in expensive production machinery. A personalized leather wallet, a custom notebook, or a branded gift set can instantly increase the perceived value of your items.
Exactly, because that's exactly what customers are looking for. They're not just buying another accessory, they're buying something that feels personal, unique, and made just for them.
But before launching a new product, always remember to test your application on a sample first. Different leather finishes and coatings can behave differently, and a quick test helps ensure consistent results. After all, premium products aren't defined by the material alone, they are defined by the attention to detail behind every single application.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.